There may be places throughout your home where Wi-Fi can be slow, spotty, or even unavailable. This is when you bring in a Wi-Fi extender to increase your Wi-Fi coverage. And today we'll be taking a look at the Rockspace AC1200. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Let's get right into it. First out of the box, we have the quick start guide to help you set up your extender. And then we have the extender. The AC1200 features connection speeds of up to 300 megabits per second on 2.4 gig networks and up to 867 megabits per second on 5 gig networks. It adds up to 360-degree coverage up to 1,300 square feet. And to simplify the setup, you can set up the extender using the WPS button if your router supports it. Taking a closer look, it's pretty small, coming in at around 3 inches in height and a width and depth of 2 inches. Status LEDs, as well as the WPS button as I mentioned earlier for the easy setup. On the sides and top, we have the air vents. We have the SSID information, as well as the setup URL, adjustable antennas. On the bottom, we have a network port, which is 10100. If you want to hardwire any of your devices in. You'll also find the reset button. And on the back, once again, we have the SSID information, as well as the MAC address and the serial number of the extender. For the setup, you have two options. The first is pressing the WPS button on your router, and then pressing the WPS button on your extender. The second option, which I'll take you through, is looking for the Rockspace SSID and then using your browser to finish the setup. Once you've connected to your Rockspace SSID, open up your web browser and then go to http://re.rockspace.local. The create login password is used to secure your extender from being reconfigured by any user that connects to your access point. And this password should be different than the password you use to connect to your Wi-Fi. The extender will scan all available networks. Once you see the wireless network you're looking to extend, just select it and enter in the wireless password. By default, the extended network will be the same as the original, but with an _ext at the end, and it'll utilize the same password as the original network. Then all you need to do is hit the extend button, and then you're all done. Just find an outlet halfway between your router and the area you're looking to extend to or improve. If the status LED turns blue, your location is good. If you get a red status or no light comes on at all, you'll need to move the extender closer to the router. I've added the extender to improve my network speeds in my backyard, and the current distance from my extender to my device is about 30 feet. Now I'm going to run a speed test of my original network versus my new extended network, and let's see how it does. From the results, you can see that the extended network more than doubled my download speeds, and it increased my upload speeds by 10 times. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.